Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a project share. This is my beach bag inspired project featuring the Graphic 45 Tropical Travelogue paper collection. Fun project, lots of opportunities for photos and journaling, and I'll take you through the inside, but I just want to talk about this cover for a minute. The cover is just paper. All you see are some charms here dangling on the side. And just with this paper alone, because of all of the beautiful graphic work on this paper, I was able to achieve this cover, which takes you all the way through the horizon. It looks like you're looking right through this paper, and again, you can just picture yourself on a beautiful tropical island. I love the way this cover came out, and in your tutorial guys you will be able to see the way I paper piece this together. Lots of fun, very simple but big impact on this cover. As for the charms, for those of you who already picked up your kit, here's a quick peek of what you will receive. There's a lot more goodies in this kit, but I'm not prepared to show it just yet. I added some beautiful flowers that coordinate back with this paper, and they're from the brand new release from Prima, and my order just shipped, so as soon as those get to me you all will see the kit contents and this beautiful kit will be off to you. But what you see so far here you will get. There is a tutorial available for this project, or it will be available for this project on my blog very soon, with a template on how to cut the bag out and on how to make these beautiful pages that I'm going to share with you right now. But again, I know I've left my cover on here forever, but it's so beautiful to look at. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. And there's the back. Look at this paper, how saturated the color is here, and how beautiful you can see the saturation in the color, although it's on a black background. It's just absolutely stunning. Totally impressed. Totally impressed. But I mean, can you expect anything less, right, from Graphic 45? So for the inside of this bag, fun pages, I was able to create a really fun interactive page for you all. But you're going to love it. And I'm going to tell you why you're going to love it, because it's so easy to put together. And you're not going to be able to tell how easy it is to put together by looking at it, because it looks so interactive and so detailed, and the dimensionality is there. But I promise you, so easy, you're going to love me for this one. I did a really nice designer style pocket right here for you all. All of these pockets are definitely functional. So you can see that there by all of the insertions. All functional pockets. And then I incorporated this little hidden pocket, which allows you to maintain the integrity of the page but still have that interaction. And I'll show you in some other pages as I flip along, so you'll see exactly what I mean. So these all go in there, and these are cutouts from the paper. So this is the way I use my paper, and all of this will be in your tutorial, so you can mat your pages just like mine, or perhaps just put your own little spin on it. So if you look at this page here, if you would have looked at this page without the mat, you can't tell, and obviously you can because I distressed it there, but you can't tell that there's a pocket there. But there sure is, and there's a full-size pocket there, a pocket for a full-size photograph. So what I mean by maintaining the integrity of the page is that if I wanted to put a smaller mat here, I can, and just not glue it past the pocket, and then still have this opportunity for another insertion right there. And it gets better. This pocket or this slit you can put absolutely anywhere in your page. All right, there goes that one. So you still have this fantastic opportunity for a photograph here, but you have these hidden areas for interaction, which makes it very fun and totally customizable. So here I put the slit here I put it on the top, side, bottom, side again, top, over here. Look at that paper, how gorgeous. And over here, see, this one's at the bottom, this one's at the top. So you have all of this opportunity for a wonderful spread, and then you get this great mat on the inside for a fantastic photograph or journaling, whatever you'd like. Side pocket here. Here, instead of doing the top one, I did the side one, and then you get another side one right here. And look at how beautiful the design on this pocket here. Completely functional. So I'll show you all how we did that again during the class. and you can find all of this information in the tutorial. So, and it goes on like so. Here's bottom one, and here is your side one, and over here we got another fun side one popping out of here and over here. And the way that these are done, nothing gets caught on anything. So I will show you how I did that. It's just not a slit and keep it going. No, you definitely have to prepare and prep your page so that it functions really, really well. So here's another one. You can't see the slit there, can you? It's there. There it is. And over here, again, you saw this side one. So lots of fun. There's a top one right there. And as always with all my albums, gotta mat that page, huh? Full-size photographs in this one. You don't have to do too much cropping for your pictures on my albums. And I definitely love that about them. The front, the inside covers are not done yet. I've got a few other touches, few finishing touches to do, but I'm waiting for the rest of my goodies to get here so I can ship your goodies out. But in case you recognize this pocket, I showed you all a similar technique in the gift card holder that keeps on giving. So we will be applying this technique once again to these wonderful pages. And that was my inspiration once again from one of my own projects. I spinned it a little bit and created a different one for you all. So I hope you all like this. For those of you who have been wondering what are we making with that tropical Travelogue kit that's on my blog, this is it. This is it, guys. I still have kits available, as I haven't even shown the kit on YouTube yet. But if you want to jump all over it and pick yours up, I can assure you it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And just by the charms alone, you can see how beautiful the elements in this kit they're going to be. They're going to be great. So I hope you all like it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time,